Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I received this question. Someone want to know how to print from Excel. So I'm going to show you how to print from Excel. So you need to go to your search bar. Okay, go to search bar and type Excel. Okay, and open Excel app. This is Excel app and it's opening up. Okay, and it will give you option for you to see. So you go to blank page, select blank page. Okay, so this is Excel. Now from this, okay, you can print your document or your data or your file from here. What you need to do, if you have document you want to insert, okay, into Excel worksheet, okay, then you need to go to insert. I'm going to insert a document or picture for us to print it out to show you how to do this. Okay, so go to insert, now you can insert table, you can also insert image, okay, or go to home page. This is insert illustration. When you select illustration, it give you option for you to insert image or shape. So I'm going to insert image, for instance. Okay, select from this device, then you select this device. It will take you to your device where you save particular image. So I'm going to bring in this screenshot. Okay, insert it. Okay, so this is the screenshot that I want to insert. This particular screenshot, insert it. Okay, this is the screen. You can see the image. This image now I want to move it, so you can drag it to take it to the particular place you want to have it. So you just need to drag it to place it where you want to have it. Okay, so this is the image now I want to put it here in the center. Okay, now to print this image, you can also select this image, adjust it. Okay, you can adjust it. Likewise, increase it by selecting on it, so you can increase it or adjust it. Okay, and by dragging on it. Okay, now to print this image, okay, what you need to do, you need to go on top, select file, go on top and select file. When you select file, okay, then you need to scroll to print, select print, and you can see the image. Okay, for instance, now the next thing to do, you need to select how many copies. You can see you select 1 to 2 or 1. Okay, and make sure you select the correct printer. The printer is ready, MG3600 series. Now the next thing to do is print active sheet. Only print this active sheet. So you select print only this particular active sheet, 1 page. If you want to print page 2, then you select particular page from page 1 to 10. Okay, you select pages. Now print on one side or print on both sides. Then you select print on both sides or print on one side. This document is only 1 page. Okay, you can also see collected. Okay, now and orientation is print orientation or landscape. If you select landscape, it will change in this format. So this landscape, how the image or the document looks. So if you select portrait, it will be okay in this format. Okay, now and another thing is also you need to select the paper, which is what we are selecting is A4 paper. If you have other papers here, okay, then you need to select the particular paper and normal margin. Okay, you can see wide margin, so you can select the margin or no scaling. Okay, so you can go to margin and select margin, normal margin, then you go back to normal. Okay, or you select narrow margin, then this is narrow. You see how the wide margin, this is wide margin, so you need to select the margin or normal. The document will be in normal. Okay, and once you're done that, you can see scaling, print sheet at the actual size. Okay, no scaling, print sheet at the actual size. So if you want to shrink the print out so that it fit on 1 page, then you need to select shrink the print out to fit on 1 page, or shrink all column on 1 page, or fit all row on one page. So you can select all these options, okay, or you custom scaling option as well, but we want to print this with no scaling, okay. And once you've done that, the next thing to do is you need to select print. Now this document now is going to print out from here. We go. Okay, so this you can see. So this is okay. We selected to print 2 pages. So okay, these are the documents we printed out. Okay, so these are ways how to print out from Excel. For example, okay, I'm going to be doing series of video tutorial how to do so many work, okay, with Excel, okay. But this is how to print document or data from Excel. You can do so many things from here, okay. If you want also to delete this document, okay, or move, you select, can move here, copy or cancel. So there are so many things you can do by double clicking, okay. So we've been able to insert document. If you want to share this document with other person, you select share on top, okay. You select share and select share again. It gives you option to share this document to somebody. Select the email address of the person and it will ask you to name your book work. Click OK. Okay, now this document is attaching, okay, book work, yes. Okay, so this document is going to attach to my inbox. Just a moment before we can share, we are uploading your workbook. Okay, so there are so many ways to do this. Okay, so what it's doing now is attaching to my inbox. We just need to wait for you to be able to share this document from Excel. So by selecting share on top.